Yeah, welcome to International Institute of Non-Destructive Testing. We would like to happy to introduce ourselves. The INDT is founded by Mr. H. Anmane, who is Bachelor of Technology, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, Diploma in Automobile Engineering, ASNT NDT Level 3 in VT, PT, MT, UT, RT, LT, as well as PCN Level 2 in MT, PT, UT, PAUT, TOFD, and competent person under Factory Inspection Act 1948 with 19-year experience in the field of quality assurance, quality control, non-destructive testing, and third-party inspection in manufacturing, processing, and oilfield industries. So our vision is to expand our locations worldwide by being a premier quality assurance and quality control provider by delivering NDT and material testing and related services with high industrial standards, professional services, and focusing on customer satisfaction. Our mission is to provide on time quality services aiming for total customer satisfaction with value added services to comply with all legal requirements and integrated management system never compromise on quality and integrated by building trust and confidence in our customers. So our core area of working as below: entity trainings, services, and consultancy. Factory Inspection Act, Factory Inspection as per Factory Act 1948. It includes Section 28, 29, 31, Form 11 and 30, 13. That is for that is for pressure vessel, heat exchanger, pressure plant, piping, and hoist crane lifts. So we are providing, as per Maharashtra Government Factory Inspection Act, services for these areas: welding training and consultancy, third-party inspection, industrial quality assurance course, positive material identification services, post-welding heat treatment services, and also we are providing expediting services. So also we are providing consultancies for following areas: preparatory work for ASME certification, USTAM, setting up NDT labs, NDT procedure preparation and approval, review and approval of welding procedure, welders, vendor assessment and development, developing QA/QC system, setting up internal quality systems, quality system audits for vendors, safety audits. So also we are providing some of the engineering product inspection and expediting services for following atoms, inspection services for critical projects from drawing stage to dispatch stage, pressure vessel, heat exchanger, storage tank inspection, static equipment and rotary equipment inspections, in-service inspection for boiler and pressure vessel heat exchanger. Okay, ultrasonic testing of raw material like plate, pipes, bars, forging, welds. Also, we are providing ultrasonic testing for finished components, magnetic particle testing, liquid penetrant testing, visual testing, radiography testing for all for product forms like forging, casting, welding. So we are providing all types of providing all types of destructive testing witnesses. Also we are providing the training at IINDT facilities as below: visual testing, magnetic particle testing, liquid penetrant testing, ultrasonic testing, radiography testing, leak testing, eddy current testing, phase delay testing, time of flight diffraction testing. I will introduce a little bit of facility. What I will introduce little bit facilities which is available at IINDT: black light assembly, white light assembly, white light flux meter, ultraviolet light meter, radiography, film viewer, and densirometer, defective samples for uh, MT, PT, VT, RT, which includes all categories of defect. As per product forms, reference radiographs and standard radiographic form, IIW, ultrasonic testing machines, reference blocks, calibration blocks, liquid penetrant testing facilities with consumables, magnetic particle testing equipments and consumables. So these are our facilities. Also, we have the qualified and trained staff, which includes ASNT level 3, PCN level 2. Some of Also we have the welding inspector, which is certified by TWI as well as certified by AWS. Okay, so we are trying to give the best quality services at all time to our customer. So for more details, please contact us on following address or on given address. uh, for in case of any doubts, if you want to support you, then please call us on +91 900 45 3517. So thank you very much.